We are ending 2025 with a staggering realization. The industry has moved from innovation to infrastructure. Trust based data shows that while AI startups have crossed $118 billion in funding this year, breaking the 2021 record, the real story is the $5 trillion announced for compute and energy infrastructure. We are no longer just building apps, we are building the power plants of the 21st century. This week, the massive $1 billion compute deal between OpenAI and Amazon signals a shift in the balance of power. The frontier is becoming a commodity, and the value is moving to two extremes: the heavy chip layer at the bottom and the specialized agent layer at the top. Now, at the developer level, the experience has split. On one side, the vibe coder has emerged as the new type of builder. To be a vibe coder is to move from writing code to guiding with intent. Using tools like Claude and Cursor, the developers focus on vision and the user experience over syntax. They ship full stack apps in hours simply by describing the vibe of the solution. But now we are seeing the first vibe coding hangover on Hacker News and on Reddit. Prototyping is solved, but the upkeep is breaking. We're seeing code bases that look like they were written by 10 people who never even talk to each other, made up of local tools, three different login systems, and the context rot where agents lose track of the projects. It's a real problem. To survive this shift, we have to get back to first principles. The industry is learning that the AI is not just a feature, it's a system. And the modern product plan for 2026 can no longer just be a list of user stories. We have to define how the agent logic works. Where do we need total accuracy like billing and security? And where can we let the AI vibe out like the user interface and suggestions? We also need a clear audit trail. As agents move from thinking to doing, the system must focus on visibility. If an agent makes a trade or deploys code, the system must know why it did it and how to trust its rules. AI system design is moving away from the one giant model towards small agent cells. First, an orchestration layer, a router that understands the rules of the product. Second, specialized agents, small agents that do one job, like a security agent that only checks for the API leaks. Third, human in the loop, a clear checkpoint where the vibe meets reality. The vibe gets you to the first version, but the architecture gets you to scale. The winners of 2026 won't be the ones who prompt the fastest. They'll be the ones who build the strongest systems for their prompts to live in. We are moving from the era of AI power to the era of AI integrated.